Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. Today I am going to share you with crude oil, some basic information. Some subscribers are requesting me to make some videos about commodity, so I just plan to make some basic videos about commodity section. So first I am going for crude oil. Most of the people are know about the basic about crude oil. So those who beginners in this market, I just explain in simple way. Crude oil is divided into two sections: crude oil mega and crude oil mini. So here this crude oil mini, this is a upstock margin span margin calculator. In this span margin calculator, we know about how much money is required to trade crude oil mini. Just click this add button. 3,796 rupees is now required to carry forward this crude oil mini. If you want to trade crude oil mini for positional trading, you must in your account you must have this amount. And so for intraday you will get leverage. Some brokers are providing 4 times, 5 times, so just divide by 5 or 4. That much margin is required only for intraday trade. It depends on the broker. 1 rupees change means 10 rupees difference it's showing. Suppose now 5,085, one is going to 5,086, 10 rupees positive, 10 rupees plus, and once it's 5084 means 10 rupees minus. This is a 10 rupees variation, 1 point. This is crude oil mini, and another one is crude oil mega. Crude oil mega is 100 rupees variation, 1 point change means 100 rupees change. Then margin is required for 38,407 rupees is margin is required for positional trading, and this margin is every day it will be changing. This margin is calculated by the exchange, so just check this margin every day. Intraday you will get leverage also, no need for this much amount for intraday trading. So this is the basic about crude oil. And what are the things we are mainly checking for crude oil trading? Actually crude oil movement is 100% based on forex movement. So if you should know about what are the forex market opening time. Market24hclock.com. Just visit this website and here you can know about what are the exchanges are opened. Here you can see UAE, LSE London and Nasdaq New York. These two market open time, there is a fluctuation in our market. So in this clock help to know that exact time about this market opening. Here you can see the highlighted, that means those markets are opened now and this market is closed. Once this close tend to here, this exchange are highlighted, that means that markets are open. So just note this market 24h clock is help to know what are the market are open and at what time they are open. Mainly London and New York is make fluctuation in our market. Next one is Forex Factory. This website help to know what are the major news comes. Here you can see red. That means whenever that news comes, it show a high fluctuation in market. For crude oil, you just only check for crude oil inventory. Every Wednesday, usually every Wednesday it comes. So yesterday it comes crude oil inventory. See. Yesterday crude oil inventories comes. This is the previous, that means 0.4.3 is the previous broadcast result and forecast is minus 1.3 and actually that's the result announced is minus 5.3. That means it's good for crude oil. The stock is less, whenever minus is there the stock is less and the chance to price is high. So whenever you are trading in crude oil, every Wednesday you just check this forexfactory.com and make sure that is there inventory is there. If American market is holidays, then it will be postponed to next days. So once you didn't see Wednesday, check for the next days. It comes around 8 PM right now. It comes in 8 o'clock. This also in this time market show high fluctuation. So I recommend that if you are new in this market, this time just stay away from the market, because we don't know what they are going to announce, and that time this market show high fluctuations. That's why. Okay, next we are now going to check with the investing.com. Investing.com, it helps to know what are the major news about crude oil. Here you can see news section, commodities, just click it. See, crude oil prices slip, better typhoon and failing US inventories. Oil price slip, economic growth concern counter tighter surface. Like that means every time it will be updated news. So every 50 minutes or 20 minutes you just refresh this page and make sure that is there any positive or negative news for crude oil. Here every latest news comes in crude oil. So this also help to know what are the news happening in this crude oil, what are the latest news about this crude oil. And here you get economic calendar also. See, here you crude oil inventories. This green indicates that it's a positive for crude oil. And also gasoline inventories also becomes after that this crude oil. This also very important. Gasoline inventories also very important. That also positive yesterday. So sometimes crude oil result is positive, but this crude oil comes down. So that means the gasoline inventories is negative. That's why. So these two data is very important for crude oil trading, especially in Wednesday. So first you just make sure that the trading times of the market, London market and New York market, mainly New York market, about 7 o'clock it will be start opening. So that time this market show a good movement. Then next one is every Wednesday you just go through this forexfactory.com and make sure that this crude oil inventory time. Also you just visit economic investing.com and news in commodity section. You will get latest news about crude oil. And economic calendar also you just go through it. Here you will get gasoline inventories Wednesday. So these are the main things you should check for if you are trading in crude oil. And let's go with in our chart. This is crude oil, our MCS chart. Those who are trading based on chart, I recommend that please refer in Forex chart, WTI. Let's see, this is a Forex chart. This is a MetaTrader for trading platform. MetaTrader for platform, we will get free data, live free data for Forex. So movement almost same. There is no difference. I will show you. This is Forex data. This is our MCS data. This is 24 hours data. See, same movement, same chart patterns, formation. See, like that, same. So I recommend that if you refer in Forex chart, it will be get some more accurate data. Movement almost same. The main factors which affect the crude oil price variation is USD INR price and this WTI price change. Now $69.39 and USD INR is 71.81 rupees. These two factors are mainly affecting the price movement of MCS crude oil. Before enter to MCS crude oil trading, you must know these basic things. This is the basic about this crude oil. Apart from this, if anyone know more about crude oil, please do share it. That will help to our traders. In next videos, I will make some strategy about this crude oil trading. Hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasmino2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasmino.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another strategy video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.